Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make pan pizza without using any yeast.
Welcome to my channel, it's me Oritra. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to stay notified whenever I upload a video.
To begin with the pizza, first I'll be making in the pizza dough. And for that I've used 3 cups of refined flour. To that I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of salt or salt to taste, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and now I'll be mixing in all the dry ingredients before adding in the wet ingredients. And after I'm done mixing, now I'll be adding in 3 tablespoons of curd. This is the curd that we normally eat or we normally get at our home. To that I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of oil. Here I'm using vegetable oil. You can also use olive oil or sunflower oil, any oil of your preference. And now add little amount of water. Don't add too much of water so that your dough consistency becomes runny. You don't want that. You want enough water to make this into a round dough. And this is what my pizza dough looks like after resting for about 5 to 6 hours. You can also keep it overnight, but good 7 to 8 hours or 5-6 hours is good for your pizza dough. And here I have used fried chicken sausage, toasted sweet corn, onions, bell pepper. You can use toppings of your choice. I've used pizza sauce. Here's I've used tandoori chicken pieces, mozzarella, grated mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese you want to. And the most important thing, pizza seasoning. A small part of dough that I'll be rolling out into a pizza base. You can use cauliflower based pizza as well if you want to get low on carbs. Before doing this, make sure you've sanitized your hand because I've already sanitized mine. You don't want your hand unsanitized. Roll out your pizza dough into the shape you want to, big, small, whether you want to make it thin, thick. I don't want my pizza to be thick because I'm personally a fan of thin crust pizza, so I'm keeping it semi-thin. It's not thick either. So after I'm done rolling out my pizza base, I'll be taking my fork and piercing it all over. I know my pizza base isn't round, so I eventually ended up taking my mom's help. I'm making sure that I've pierced every part of the crust because I don't want my crust to puff up once I put this into the pan. So before putting your crust into the pan, make sure your pan is nice and hot. And now we'll be cooking this pizza crust from one side. After it's done cooking from the other side, from the one side, we'll be flipping over the pizza. After your pizza base is cooked from one side, you make sure to flip your pizza base. And now on the cooked side, you'll be adding in or spreading in your pizza sauce. If you don't like pizza sauce, you can substitute it with Szechuan sauce. Ketchup will also do. Make sure to evenly spread out your sauce so that you get your sauce in every bite that you take. And now it's time for the topping. You can use any topping you want to. Your pizza, your way. You can make it vegetarian. You can add any other meat if you want to, but here I've used chicken sausages, fried chicken sausages. If you want, if you don't want to fry the sausages, you might use it like that because sausages are pretty much ready, and you can use any other meat if you want to. I like my pizza quite meaty. I mean, I love chicken. And now it's time for me to add the veggies. You may add any veggies you want to, mushroom, baby corn, but here I've used green capsicum, bell pepper, whatever you say it. You can use bell peppers as well to make your pizza look colorful. I'm using onions, sweet corn kernels. You can use any topping you want to. And to top up everything, I'll be adding the mozzarella, grated mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese you want to. If you are not a big fan of mozzarella cheese, you can use any slice of cheese, but make sure to grate them so that you generous amounts of your pizza seasoning on the top of your cheese. This will give you exactly the taste like restaurant, as if you bought it from a restaurant. It will exactly taste like that. And now cover this up with a lid and let it sit there in the oven until the cheese melts. And after 2 to 3 minutes, when the cheese melts, it will look exactly like this, and it will make you feel so proud of you because it will taste delicious.